Today I want to talk about the most valuable feature in Autel's TPMS tools. It's the ability to copy by OBD. We want to eliminate the confusion that can sometimes be associated with TPMS sensor programming. You may recall that several methods are available when we go through our menu system on our tools. But the truth is, there's only one method that you need to know to get the TPMS light off the first time, every time. Let's discuss the copy by OBD method of programming Autel's MX-sensor sensor. First, let's take our TS508 Wi-Fi and select the year, make, and model. We're going to be sure to check the placard in our driver's door jamb to verify the build date information, just to make sure we're selecting the correct application. The first thing we want to do is perform a TPMS diagnose so we can identify any bad sensors and verify that the wheels are in the correct location relative to the sensor IDs and wheel locations stored in the TPMS control module. Follow the instructions on the screen to perform the TPMS diagnose. Once our diagnosis is complete, we can see that the left side front TPMS sensor will not activate and needs to be replaced. Rather than clone the sensor or manually inputting the ID number, we can use the ID and location information stored in the module to create a replica of the sensor that needs replacement. Select Program Sensor on the TS508WF and choose Copy by OBD. Because the sensor IDs and locations were retrieved during the diagnostic, they can be recalled by the tool and displayed on the screen. All we need to do is select the wheel location that we want to make a sensor for and press Y. After a few seconds, the sensor programming is complete and the sensor is ready to be installed. We can now move on to the relearn procedure as per the instructions on the tool, or better yet, if during the diagnose process we determine that the wheels were in the correct location, it eliminates the need for the relearn altogether. Install the sensor and take it for a quick drive to verify that the TPMS light is out and the system is performing correctly. That's all there is to it. For more information about Autel TPMS or any of our products and services, visit us at autel.com. We'll see you next time.